Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Brabus Motorhome Caravan is a bold entry into the ultra-luxury recreational vehicle market, skillfully fusing Brabus's reputation for high-performance engineering with the roomy comfort and custom craftsmanship that discriminating tourists seek. This proposed vehicle reflects a vision of future innovation in the motorhome industry, while also incorporating aspects of the existing Brabus design philosophy. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome Caravan's appearance is intended to be a harmonious blend of powerful presence and aerodynamic efficiency. Inspired by Brabus's distinctive design aesthetic, the Caravan would display extensive use of cutting-edge composite materials and lightweight carbon fiber to reduce drag and improve fuel economy. Side skirts, diffusers, and spoilers were included to maximize stability and airflow. Clashing elements and a dark, monochromatic color scheme that reflects Brabus's recognizable visual style. Unique badging and specially made alloy wheels highlight rarity. LED lighting solutions are cutting edge. A strengthened body and chassis to provide longevity and security on long trips. For a secure and comfortable ride, hydraulic leveling systems and cutting-edge suspension technology are used. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome Caravan's interior is designed to be a mobile haven where luxury and cutting-edge technology coexist. Important characteristics would be exotic wood veneers, hand-stitched leather upholstery, and specially made trim all contribute to the sophisticated elegance of the space. Modular furnishings and flexible arrangements to accommodate personal tastes. A single control system that oversees every facet of the Caravan's operation, including entertainment, security, lighting, and climate control. Satellite communication, high-speed internet access, and sophisticated navigation systems to guarantee uninterrupted connectivity. Cutting-edge game consoles and home theater systems. Premium amenities include a large sleeping area with a king-size bed, an opulent bathroom with spa-like features, and a gourmet kitchen furnished with top-of-the-line appliances. A cigar humidor, climate-controlled wine storage, and other custom features to satisfy even the pickiest palates. High-capacity battery storage and sophisticated solar panel arrays allow for longer periods of off-grid life. Performance and powertrain. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome Caravan would have a strong powertrain, maybe a hybrid or turbocharged engine tuned to provide remarkable power and torque, given Brabus's reputation for high-performance engineering. An all-wheel drive system with terrain-adaptive modes to provide the best handling and traction under a variety of circumstances. Systems for air suspension that adjust to the conditions of the road. Targeting wealthy people looking for the best in mobile living, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome Caravan would hold a prestigious place in the luxury RV industry. Success would depend on delivering a product that, in terms of technology, performance, and workmanship, exceeds all expectations. Providing a great level of customization and personalization to accommodate different tastes. Utilizing the standing of the Brabus brand for custom craftsmanship and high-performance engineering. In conclusion, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome Caravan is a representation of the future of high-end recreational vehicles, where luxurious living and top-notch cars coexist.